In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GCash app buy load unsuccessful. If your buy load transactions keep failing in the GCash app, a quick cleanup and update often resolves the issue. We'll start by clearing temporary files the app stores on your phone, then make sure you're running the latest version from the Play Store. Don't worry, this won't affect your balance or your account. Begin on your Android device by opening the Settings app. Every phone's layout can look a little different, but you're looking for the section where all your installed apps are listed. Tap on Apps, sometimes labeled Apps and Notifications or Application Manager. This page shows all the apps on your device. Scroll through the list and locate GCash. If you have a search icon at the top, you can type the app name to find it faster. Tap on GCash to open its app info page. Here, you'll see details like permissions, storage, and usage. Go ahead and tap Storage. On this screen, you'll find two options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Choose Clear Cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that can cause glitches or stale sessions, which are common reasons for failed buy load attempts. Avoid Clear Data unless you know what you're doing, because that can sign you out and remove app preferences. With the cache cleared, let's make sure your app is up to date. Exit Settings and open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar at the top, type GCash and open the App Store page. If you see an Update button, tap it and let the update fully install. App updates often include bug fixes and improvements to payment and loading features, so this step is important. If it says Open instead of Update, you're already on the latest version and you can proceed. After updating, return to the GCash app. Sign in if needed, then head back to the buy load section and try your purchase again. Clearing the cache refreshes how the app communicates with its services, and updating ensures you've got the most stable version. Together, these two actions typically resolve the buy load unsuccessful error. If your attempt now goes through, you're all set. If it still doesn't, repeat the cache clear once more and confirm the app shows no pending updates before trying again. Following these steps carefully usually fixes the problem without any complicated troubleshooting. That's it. You've cleared the cache, checked for updates, and tried the transaction again. All the essentials to get GCash buy load working smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you complete your load purchase successfully.